Ever looked at a patch of green and wondered, could I eat that? Welcome to the intriguing world of foraging, where we take a closer look at the wild, edible plants around us. It's essential to know what's safe to munch on, and what could potentially give you an unplanned trip to the hospital. The earth is abundant with edible treasures, but it also harbors dangers in disguise. Today we dive into the green world and discover what nature has to offer. Identifying edible plants is crucial, and it's easier than you might think. When you're out in the wild, nature's bounty is often right at your fingertips, if you know what to look for. Let's start with the humble dandelion. You've probably seen these bright yellow flowers in your own backyard, but did you know that every part of the dandelion is edible? From their sun-colored blossoms down to their deep tap roots, dandelions are a source of vitamins A, C, and K. They typically sprout in open, sunny areas. Next, let's talk about stinging nettles. Yes, you heard that right. Despite their prickly reputation, when cooked properly, they lose their sting and provide a rich source of iron and calcium. Look for these in damp, nutrient-rich soil, often near water. And then we have clovers. These three-leaved plants are easily recognizable and can be found in grassy areas. They're a great source of protein, and they have a mild, sweet taste. Now, it's important to remember that while these plants are generally safe to eat, it's crucial to double-check your identification. Some plants have lookalikes that can be harmful if consumed. Always cross-reference with a reliable guide, and when in doubt, consult an expert. So, as you venture into the world of foraging, keep these plants in mind. They're common, they're nutritious, and they're right under your nose. Remember, when in doubt, don't put it in your mouth. Got your eyes on a tasty plant? Here's how to harvest it without hurting Mother Nature. Harvesting wild plants is a delicate process. It's a balance between satisfying our needs and preserving the environment. Remember, we're guests in nature's pantry, so let's be respectful. When harvesting, only take what you need. It's tempting to grab a bunch of ripe berries or a handful of fresh herbs, but moderation is key. Next, give young plants a chance to grow. They're the future of the forest, so let them mature and reproduce. Also, be selective about where you harvest. Avoid areas near roads or polluted water sources. Plants can absorb toxins from their surroundings, which could end up in your meal. Lastly, consider the impact of your actions. Every plant we pick means less food for wildlife and fewer seeds for new plants. With careful harvesting, we ensure these plants will be here for future foragers. You've identified and harvested your plants. Now what's for dinner? Well, let's dive into the exciting part, preparing our edible wild plants. There are a multitude of ways to turn these green goodies into a delicious and nutritious meal. One of the simplest methods is making a salad. Grab some dandelion leaves, wild garlic, and wood sorrel for a fresh, zesty mix. Remember to wash them thoroughly and enjoy the unique flavors each plant offers. Fancy a hot cuppa instead? Many wild plants make excellent teas. Mint, chamomile, and stinging nettles are perfect for a soothing brew. Just steep the leaves in hot water, strain, and sip away. Now, if you're more of a culinary adventurer, cooking these plants can unlock a world of flavors. Try roasting burdock root for a sweet, earthy treat, or sautéing some fiddlehead ferns in garlic and butter. Don't forget that these plants are not just tasty, but packed with nutrients too. Dandelions, for instance, are a powerhouse of vitamins A, C, and K. Wild garlic is known for its antioxidants, while stinging nettles are rich in iron. Incorporating these plants into your meals not only adds variety, but also boosts your health in a natural, cost-effective way. Just remember, though, the key to enjoying these wild edibles is correct identification and preparation. So there you have it, a meal straight from nature's kitchen. Foraging for wild food isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving. So we've explored the art of foraging today, from recognizing those edible greens to gathering them responsibly, and finally to preparing them safely for a meal. Remember, it's not just about filling your belly, it's about respecting the environment and ensuring the survival of these plants. So, next time you're out in the green, remember, your next meal could be just a bush away.